One of the main things that we do differently, I find when I go to see new clients, is that from the very get go, we look after a client with a dedicated account executive and a dedicated account handler. And from the very beginning, when we get all of the information about the client, we put a full presentation together to send to the insurer. We then speak to the insurers to obtain quotations. And from there, we then check everything is fit for purpose from the quotations that we receive. And then we will send that out to the client once we're happy with everything to propose to the client. After that, any issues, questions, queries, anything at all, they can always come back to either me, for example, as the account executive, or to the account handler that's on that account. One of the things that stands out at Caunce O'Hara is that your dedicated account exec and handler are on hand from the beginning to the end. There's no other teams that are dealing with just the insurance quotations or just the problems that arise or a phone call that comes in. Anything that comes in comes to us. And we know that our clients inside and out from the very get-go. So when we're going to the insurance market and they ask us a question, if it's me or the handler speaking to the insurer, we know the answer straight away because we've got all that information. Whereas some brokers will have a broking team. So there's a little bit of a divide where then you've got someone who's been out to see the client and a broking team actually going to the insurance market, coming back to the team asking questions because they don't know the client well enough. Whereas the way we work, we get to know our client from the beginning, and it just gives you that lovely consistency to the client that you've always got a contact in an executive and a handler from the very beginning for as long as you're with us.